Hello everyone, a very good morning to one and all. Today we are learning very unique and easy crafting ideas. Here we are cutting orange as a decorative item without any complication and made it a rabbit with an umbrella. Next, taking a paper cup and drawing on it, and on a piece of paper we are drawing a cow face and cut the unwanted crab and attach it to the cow body and making holes for legs. Now we are making paper rolls for legs of the cow. Now coloring the legs. A cow body is ready. We need these crafts for any project related dummy assignments. Next, we are moving to a grape garden with an insect in it by making small parts for the insect body and attaching leaves and drawing grapes in the same color. We made a grape garden. By using double tape gums, we are sticking those leaves. Next, by taking a paper glass and cut it into the half part and take another glass with hole in it. Insert the half part of the glass into the another glass. Attach stickers and tail part of the craft. Hold a rubber band with a wooden stick like this and use a large bead for gripping support with another wooden stick from the down and make a plus symbol and attach it to the top stick. Now take some straws, cut them as shown and fold it in heart shape. Use glue gun to stick. Take extra part of straw and attach as shown and make a round with all the straws. Take a strong base and attach 4 paper rolls as shown and fold the back and make another paper roll for holding the wheel. Attach them. It's a giant wheel. Next, moving to 3D crafting cards. Make 3 white color round paper pieces in different sizes and 3 black color rounds in same size and attach them as shown. Give it legs, beak and background with a sun. Now take a yellow color paper and fold it as shown in the video according to the marking values, and then take another sticky paper and stick pink color ribbon shape papers as and cut the edges as shown and fold like an igloo and place on a thick base and make a Pokemon face and attach the front part and plain paper to the back. Cute! Take a paper cup and cut it as shown and make it as a paper aeroplane and leave it from the top. Now moving to another 3D crafting. Take different color sheets and make a tree branch in wood color and different color round paper pieces and arrange them as shown and decorate it with white clouds and moon. Wow, super scenery. Next, move to another 3D decorative item. Make white color straps and attach on a round background and make few red color rounds and heart shapes and stick them as shown and give finishings with white color glue. Hope you all like the video. Thank you.